Welcome back to another video. So we are headed up into the mountains here. We're gonna do a little camping, a little fishing this weekend. Take the Razors out for a ride. So it's gonna be a good weekend, but we are just getting up here into the mountains. So we'll get camp set up and have a good weekend. So stay along for the ride. It's gonna be a good one. All right, we got the setup. One person's tent, or one family's tent, I guess. Another one over there. We got this whole area. Another family's tent. I'm gonna sleep in the hammock here. So we'll sleep here tonight. And then my truck, we got the Razors. And then the rest of camp. So, should be a fun weekend. All right, so we are up here on a pond. Came for a little night ride. So it's super pretty. I'll come up fishing up here either tomorrow or tonight. Out for a spin. Almost to the top. Pretty up here. We'll head out. Well, we are a ways from camp and it is starting to hail. So this is gonna be real fun. Here it comes. Here comes the hail. All right, this hail is really coming down. Look at those things.
Check out this hill!
All right, so we are just loading up to head back out of here, but it's been a great weekend. A lot of fun, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this little montage of camping this weekend with the family. Did a little riding, did a little fishing, even though we didn't catch anything, but overall, great weekend. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel down below. Catch you guys next time.